are things that people do a menudo. Hi everyone, the word of the day is a menudo. A menudo. This is a Spanish adverb and it means often. This adverb is so common in Spanish, so you gotta learn it. A menudo works with feminine and masculine nouns and it doesn't have a plural form. Now let's see a few examples. Yo como en este restaurante a menudo. Yo como en este restaurante a menudo. No voy a fiestas a menudo. No voy a fiestas a menudo. Visito a mis amigos a menudo. Visito a mis amigos a menudo. Me gusta viajar a menudo. Me gusta viajar a menudo. Leo a menudo. Leo a menudo. Here's a tip. A menudo usually goes at the end of a sentence. Okay, that was the word of the day. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Leave me more examples down below using a menudo. Visit smelessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye!